New feature on ZenHR. We are excited to announce that we have added a new report to ZenHR, the Loans Report. This report allows HR admins to easily export the details of their employees' loans and installments in Excel. To get this report, go to the main menu on your ZenHR account, then choose Reports, Financial Reports, Loans Report. Using the filters on this page, HR admins will be able to export two types of loan reports. The first type is the Summarized Loans Report, which allows HR admins to export a brief version of their employees' loan details, including the loan amount, payment dates, and approval status. The second type is the Detailed Loans Report, which allows HR admins to export the full details of their employees' loans, including the loan amount, payment dates, and approval status, in addition to detailed information about the installments due and the date of each installment. After choosing the report type, click on Generate, and the system will then start the calculation process. A notification message will appear to the HR admin once the report is ready to be downloaded as an Excel file. For more information about this new report, please contact your customer success manager or reach out to our support team through ZenHR or by email to support@zenhr.com. ZenHR, technology with the power to transform HR.